Welcome to our line, the large line. It's Saturday and we're driving 8 hours round trip to pick up lumber for our rafters. Unfortunately, the closer to us store had none for the past 2 weeks. In the area, it's a lot of smoke, and the rain it's a blessing right now, but it's bad for us because we are kind of exposed. The next day, which is Sunday morning, we're debating how we're gonna proceed with the rafter installations, and we are really confident that we're gonna start installing the rafters, but that's not the case. The rain started, and with this got some problems for us too. We did pray for rain, and at this moment we are happy because everything was manageable and our building was safe. No more worries, nothing to stress for, everything was perfect. We loved it. Our prayers were answered.
Okay, after 3 months of work, we are at a level when we could put a tarp on top of the building where the roof will be, because it's raining outside, which is a bless, because 20 miles away from here it's a big fire. So hopefully on the end of the rain tomorrow that fire will stop, so people will not lose their homes, and doesn't bother me at all. Probably tonight I'm gonna spend it here. My wife said no, but probably because the water is collecting there and I have to kick it out. And we drove yesterday 8 hours to pick up some wood from Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, and tomorrow I'm gonna start building the rafters, and probably in 2 days I'm gonna be done with the rafters, and then I'm gonna start putting the OSB on top of it. And after that, I don't know what I'm gonna do. What's the title?
And I called this the rain belly. If you don't take care of it, it's gonna be so heavy that it's gonna pour into the house. It was not too bad for that night, yet my husband had to go back and forth to push the water away. And Monday morning, everything is nice after the weather clean up the air and no more smoke anywhere. My husband starts painting the floor because he wanted extra protection in case that we need it. But everything got down the drain again. It start pouring and pouring and pouring and pouring, and as you think, no more rafter installations for us. Maybe tomorrow. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time. Please share and see us next time.